Hey there, and welcome back to Kitchen Faucet channel. If you're tired of waiting on your kettle every time you want tea or instant coffee, you're going to love today's project. Today, I'll walk you through how to install a hot water dispenser, a smart upgrade for any kitchen. We'll cover every step, from the tools you need in prepping your workspace, to full installation and final testing, whether you're adding a new one or replacing an old unit. Tools and materials needed: adjustable wrench, basin wrench, drill with hole saw, if no existing hole, plumber's tape, screwdriver, bucket or towel. Step 1. Preparation: the workspace. Let's start with some quick preparation. Identify the location for the dispenser faucet and tank. Now check to make sure your counter is 3 in thick or less. There is proper clearance for the dispenser handles to be fully open, and there is a grounded electrical outlet under the sink. Turn off the water supply. Step 2. Install the dispenser. If you don't already have a hole, you'll need to drill a 1 1/4 inch hole in your sink or countertop. Slide the rubber gasket onto the base of the tap, insert it into the hole, and secure it underneath with the mounting hardware. Before tightening fully, make sure the tap is straight and properly aligned. Step 3. Connect the tank. Time to install the tank beneath the sink. Mount it vertically using the included bracket, leaving some clearance below for airflow and access. Now connect the hoses. 1. Blue hose cold water supply. 2. White hose tap connection. 3. Silver hose vent line. Tighten all connections securely, just don't over-tighten. We want a good seal without cracking any fittings. Step 4. Power and fill. Next, plug in the dispenser, but don't power it on yet. Turn the cold water back on, and open the tap until water runs steadily. This means the tank is now full. Once that's done, you're safe to switch it on. Step 5. Set the temperature. Most units let you adjust the temperature. The sweet spot for most people is around 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, 88 to 93 degrees Celsius. Let the tank heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, then it's ready to go. Step 6. Test the system. Moment of truth, let's test it out. Tap runs with steam. Perfect. Hot water on demand, no kettle, no waiting. Check all connection points for any leaks. If everything's dry, you're done. And that's it, your kitchen now has instant hot water at the tap. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a DIY upgrade. Got questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments, I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.